Oh, hi there. So I finally got the hydraulic hoses back from the. I had to order these 90-degree connectors, and I put a universal transmission oil cooler because I broke the lines. Anyway, this is the video of the completed job. So it starts from there, and it goes up to here. The bumper does fit. I've tried it, and had to cut a piece of the metal bumper there. Got these little inserts there to hold the oil cooler up there, and I've got these 90-degree fittings, and this is from a hydraulic hose centre, and this is automotive. Normally they don't always mix, but yes, they did sell the hose, the connectors, and I needed a 90-degree. So yeah, so it's everything's tight, and that's all I can do to save this car, right? So well, that's it for now. I've still got to put all this stuff back on and figure out how I'm going to support the horn, which is probably not that hard. And yeah, I'm looking forward to starting this engine. But at least the transmission oil's not going to piss out everywhere. Okay then, see ya, bye.